Let's solve 22 times 3 together using multiple methods. We need to find the product of 22 and 3. Let's explore different ways to solve this multiplication problem. First, let's understand what multiplication means in this context. 22 times 3 means we're adding 22 together 3 times. We can write this as 22 plus 22 plus 22. Here we can see 3 groups, each containing 22 items represented by rectangles. Let's solve this using the standard multiplication method. We set up the multiplication with 22 on top and 3 on the bottom. First, we multiply 3 times 2 in the ones place, which gives us 6. Then we multiply 3 times 2 in the tens place, which gives us 6 tens. Putting it together, we get 66 as our answer. Now let's solve it by breaking down 22 into tens and ones. 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. So 22 times 3 equals 20 plus 2, all times 3. Using the distributive property, this becomes 20 times 3 plus 2 times 3. 20 times 3 is 60, and 2 times 3 is 6. Adding 60 and 6 gives us 66. Visually, we can see the larger rectangle represents 20 times 3 equals 60, and the smaller rectangle represents 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's verify our answer using repeated addition. We start with 22 plus 22 plus 22. First, 22 plus 22 equals 44. Then, 44 plus 22 equals 66. Here we see 3 rows of 22 dots each, and counting them all gives us 66 dots total. Let's verify our answer is correct using a different approach. We can verify by checking if 66 divided by 3 equals 22. Indeed, 66 divided by 3 equals 22, confirming our answer. Therefore, 22 times 3 equals 66 is correct. So our final answer is 66. 22 times 3 equals 66. This multiplication gives us 66, which we verified using 3 different methods.